brought to you by Bob Hale Realty.
Welcome back to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel. I'm Noah, here with Steve and Robert Hale and our team at Bob Hale Realty. As we tour this home today, I want to share some great news for those of you interested in owning your own home in the near future, especially if you think a low credit score is holding you back from homeownership in Augusta, Georgia, and the surrounding areas. You might think you need perfect credit or a big down payment to buy a home, but that's a common myth. The truth is, many lenders now use your Vantages score, the same one you see on Credit Karma, to help you qualify. And these scores are often higher than the old credit models. A score of 580 or higher could be all you need to get started. For our veterans, a 500 score can often get you approved for a VA loan, frequently with zero down. And if your score is 600 or higher, we have down payment assistance programs available that could mean you need no money down at all. So, don't let your credit score stop you. Call Bob Hale Realty today at 706-796-2274 or 706-840-4663. You can also visit us at bobhale.com to check out the latest listings, whether you're looking to buy, rent, or even explore rent-to-own opportunities.
Thanks for tuning in to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel and Bob Hale Realty.